Hi, we continue with nomenclature of inorganic compound. What is inorganic compound? Inorganic compound is any substance in which two or more chemical elements, usually other than carbon, are combined, nearly always in definite proportions. In this subtopic, we are going to learn to define cations and anions and also name the cations, anions, and salts according to IUPAC nomenclature. Nomenclature of inorganic compounds. The first part is ion. What is ion? Ion is said to be a charged species. It is formed from a neutral atom or molecule where number of protons and electrons are unbalanced. Ion can be divided into two, cation and anion. Cation is a positively charged ion. It contains more number of protons compared to number of electrons. One of the examples is magnesium 2+. What is an ion? An ion is a negatively charged ion. Consists of more number of electrons than proton number. Example is Cl- and OH-. Cl- is known as chloride ion. Have you ever heard about monatomic ion? Monatomic ion contains only one nucleus. Example is ferrum 3+. Other example of monatomic ion is S2-. Polyatomic ion. The word poly means more than one. Polyatomic ion contains more than one atom. Example is Cn-, where it contains carbon atom and nitrogen atom. In general, all metal forms cation. In periodic table, metal are located in the left-hand side of periodic table. All non-metal will form anions, which is on the right-hand side of the periodic table. Combination between cation and anion forms salt. For example, sodium chloride. Sodium is an element located in group 1 of periodic table, whereas chlorine is element located in the group 17 of periodic table. Sodium is a type of metal, whereas chlorine is a non-metal. Chlorine forms in a gas form in nature. This table shows the metallic cations. It has two types, single oxidation number and more than one oxidation number. Ion with single oxidation number are lithium+, magnesium 2+, and aluminium 3+, whereas ion with more than one oxidation number are ferrum 2+ and ferrum 3+, copper plus and copper 2+. Lithium plus is known as lithium ion. Magnesium 2+ is known as magnesium ion. Aluminium 3+ known as aluminium ion. However, for more than one oxidation number, the name is different. For example, ferrum 2+ carries iron 2 ion name. Ferrum 3+ is called iron 3 ion. Copper plus is copper 1 ion and copper 2+ is copper 2 ion. The Roman number is introduced to differentiate between ferrum 2+ and ferrum 3+. This table shows some of the examples of polyatomic ions. Some of the ions are hypochlorite ion, carbonate ion, hydrogen carbonate ion, sulfate ion, phosphate ion, and dichromate ion. Salt. In chemistry, it is a substance produced by the reaction of acid with base. The reaction between acid and a base is called a neutralization reaction. The metal is named first, followed by the non-metal. For example, sodium chloride. Other examples of salts include iron 3 chloride and manganese 2 sulfate.